Are you planning for a child but facing the dilemma of whether to become a stay-at-home parent or continue working? Select the Child Planning Planner from CashTrac's dashboard. Next, clone this planner and rename it. For this example, let's call it Rejoins Job After 4 Years. Adjust the income, expenses, and other details to fit this scenario. For example, reduce the salary to $5,500 and save. Now, go back to the Child Planning Planner, clone it again, and rename it Stay-at-Home Parent. Update the salary and other financial information for this scenario. In this case, update the income to $5,500 permanently. Once both planners are created, go to the Compare Planner feature. Select the two scenarios, and compare them to view your cash health score. The score clearly shows that rejoining the workforce after 4 years is financially better than taking time off completely. You can also test other scenarios, such as freelancing, and use the cash health score to make smarter financial decisions. Sign up today at cashtrac.me.